Hi, today I'll be showing you how you can apply your camera raw filter presets in just one click, and it wouldn't take you very long to set it up. Oftentimes, you might have to edit multiple pictures, and having to go into camera raw every single time can be very time consuming. So today I'll be showing you how you can use Photoshop actions and do it in just a single click. This is a follow-up tutorial from my previous tutorial, which I will add a link up below somewhere. This is my second video. I'm not too sure how to edit yet, but yeah, you can check it out. Anyway, in that tutorial, I actually covered how you can turn a normal looking picture into a stylized dark moody theme picture. So let's carry on with this tutorial. Continuing from where we have left off before, after you have keyed in all the values and adjusted to your liking, head over to the presets tab and create a new preset by clicking on the button below. You don't have to worry about all these settings over here. This one will probably be covered in another future tutorial. So for now, just key in your preset name that you want. I'll name it Dark Moody Greens and hit OK. Now you have created a preset that will apply all the values and adjustments that you have just keyed in just one click. But even so, you will have to keep coming back into Camera Raw. So we'll make it easier by using Photoshop Action, so you don't have to come into Camera Raw every time when you want to add this preset. Make sure to favorite it. I'll explain to you later why. And hit OK. You can delete the layer you have just created with the preset on. Select the original, click Ctrl J to duplicate it. Now you will be creating an action. So if the action tab is not already open, head over to Windows and select the actions option. Create a new folder, name it Camera Raw One Click. Create a new action, name it Moody Greens and hit enter. So as you can see below, the red button is turned on, so it basically means it's currently recording all the actions that you're doing in Photoshop. So head over to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Under the Basic tab, click on the Options button on the left. Apply Favorite Preset. As you can see, if you have not started or added the preset that you just made into the favorite, it will not appear here. So make sure you actually favorite the preset. After that, select Dark Moody Greens and hit OK. Now, stop your recording. So again, if you delete this layer, hit Ctrl J on the original layer to duplicate it. Select Moody Greens from the Actions menu and hit the play button. You can see it automatically does all the adjustments for you without even needing to go into the Camera Raw. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial by clicking on the thumbs up below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. And I'll see you next time.